So number 4 here. So we want to work out this problem. And again, the order of operations, we don't just go left to right. There's an order of operations. Some operations are more important than the others. PEMDAS. So parentheses, problems inside parentheses, brackets or curly brackets first, then exponents, powers, multiplying, dividing, adding, subtracting in that order. Okay, so not just left to right. So we can't just start out here and start adding the 7. Can't do that. We have to start in here. And within there, I can't add 24 and 3 and get 27. No, because adding's last. You have to start with the dividing, don't you? So we get 7 plus 9 times 5 minus 3 plus, and 24 divided by 8 is 3, isn't it? Like that. So you do that first, and then you finish up these parentheses. So this is going to be 6. Now, one comment, you might look at this and go, well, that's parentheses, that's got to be done first too. Well, it doesn't really mean that's just multiplication. That all this is here is multiplication. This is not really a problem inside parentheses like this was. See how this right here was a problem inside parentheses? Problem inside parentheses right here, right? That's what it means when the PEMDAS gives you its PEMDAS order. The P doesn't just mean any parentheses anywhere, always do those first. No, no, no. It means when there's a problem inside of a parenthesis bracket or curly bracket that needs to be worked out, not just a number, but a problem. If there's just a number in parentheses, that's just multiplying. That's just M. That's lower down. The P stands for a problem inside parentheses, not just a number inside parentheses. So coming back up here then, so these are just numbers. There's not a problem in those parentheses, but this is a problem inside parentheses. That's why we did that first. Okay, now this is just multiplying, but it's time for multiplying now. So let's do that. I'm not going to add, right? Watch out, don't add. If you forget everything else, just as long as you remember adding, subtracting is last, you'll probably be good. So do the multiplying. Use your calculator if you're rusty on those times tables. Like that good. I multiplied. And you don't even need these parentheses anymore. Once the problem inside is done, you don't even need them. They're not doing anything. Same thing with these. Notice how I removed the parentheses because I multiply them. There's no need for them anymore. So, right, and now we do the adding, subtracting. So again, adding, subtracting is last. We first did the problem inside the parentheses, got that down to a number. Then we did the multiplying because that's more important than adding, subtracting. And then we just do our adding, subtracting. Just use your calculator. 7 plus 45 minus 6. That's what I'm doing anyway. I'm getting 79 for mine. There we go. PEMDAS, order of operations.